Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do 3 quick and easy hairstyles that you can do when you're running late, and best of all, they take less than a minute to do. So let's begin. For the first look, divide your hair into 3 sections and tie the middle section with a hair tie. Next, pick up another section and start twisting it upwards. Wrap it underneath your ponytail, and with your other hand, look for the hair tie and pull that section of hair through it. And on the other side, you want to do the same thing. So pick up your hair, twist it upwards, wrap it around the ponytail, then look for the hair tie, and pull that section of hair right through one of the loops. And the last step is to pull on the first ponytail tightly so that the hair tie can move up and be hidden by the 2 twists. And here's the completed look. It works great on medium to long hair, and it looks more polished than a regular ponytail. The next look is a half up and half down hairstyle, so pick up some hair on both sides of your head and tie them together. Make a hole above the hair tie and flip your ponytail through, then gently tug on it to tighten it. Next, flip your ponytail through again, but this time you don't want to pull it through all the way. Leave a little loop and then fan it apart, then grab 2 bobby pins and secure it in place. Insert the bobby pins right at the top going down, and at the end you should have something that looks like this. And this one is great for prom because you can dress it up with hair accessories. The final look is a knotted hairstyle that looks complicated, but it's super easy to do. Pick up some hair on each side of your head and tie them together in a simple knot. And then tie another knot. Pick up the rest of your hair and add them to the 2 sections of hair that you're holding, then tie them together one last time. Combine the 2 strands together and tie them with the hair tie. And that's it for my 3 running late hairstyles. Let me know which look was your favorite in the comments below, and if you enjoyed these quick hairstyles, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao! Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see new videos, and feel free to check out my previous hair tutorials.